The 2023 African Cup of Nations has been incredible so far, and even though Somalia aren't taking part, it's been a historic tournament for the Ocean Stars of East Africa. For the first time ever, a Somali referee has taken charge of a game at a major international tournament. Umar Abdulkadir Artan was the referee during Namibia's 1-0 upset over Tunisia in game week 1. The quality of refereeing overall during this tournament has been fantastic and levels above what we've seen in the past. But there was a lot of pressure on Umar to perform at a high level during this game, knowing that he's the first Somali to represent his country in the African Cup of Nations, and he handled it very well. And even though it was an intense game throughout, he made sure he was in control and never let it get out of hand. And any game you can officiate without having to give out a single card is a good day at the office. And because of his assured performance in his first game, he was asked just 3 days later to be the 4th official in the feisty encounter before Senegal and Cameroon. Hopefully Umar can continue his solid performances and be asked to referee some knockout stage games.